Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth on Redmi A5. To do this, you have just to go to Settings and after that go to Connected Devices. And as you can see, you go to the Bluetooth option, connection preferences, Bluetooth, go to it. And after that, you go to Bluetooth and you turn your Bluetooth on. And after that, your phone will start looking to new devices. And to pair a new device, click on the plus and your Bluetooth will start looking for devices that he can link to. And when you find the device that you want to link to, you have just to click on it and it will start pairing with that device. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.